Hello YouTube, Eric here back with another unboxing video, and this one is bigger and badder than ever. Let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm actually coming from the bottom because it looks like it's going to be a lot easier. This box here is coming from Dream Championship Belts. Tanver Khurshid, coming to me on its way to Big Mike's Championship Belt Group. Big Mike has got a custom belt business going, and I am going to make a promo video for him. So let's see what we got. That's what we're going to be working with. All right. So we got 4 straps here. This one is very heavy. Heavier than the others by a good margin. So let's go ahead and get right into it. I'm going to be very careful as always to not cut into the belts. Don't want to cut deep down. Just want to cut out. Now again, Big Mike and Dream Championship Belts are working on customs. So these are going to be customs designed for clients, and if you like what you see, Big Mike can help you out getting a custom belt made. So I'm looking at this first one here, packed very nicely. Everything was really nicely wrapped, and we'll see what we're looking at here. You know what? This is a nice touch. A lot of makers don't really put any of the silica in there. I've never seen that before, so it's excellent. All right. Sometimes moisture can be trapped in this, especially on a brand new belt. First thing I'm seeing is a really nice backing here, kind of like reptile skin. And let's see what we got. Ooh. Cha-Cha Championship. There's Big Mike's logo right there for his belt group. He's the guy you're gonna talk to. Big Mike's Championship Belts on Facebook, and working on a partnership with Tanver and Dream Championships. So my first look is at the plates. They've got some really nice etching. It's deep. I'm not sure how deep, but it's definitely got a lot of depth to it. I don't know if you can see that. Kind of hard to tell. And there's a lot of paint work. It's all black painted. That white text really pops on the black background. And these look like, I don't know, 4 or 5 millimeter plates. Not 100% sure. Got a snap box. Ooh, look. Big Mike's got his own stamp on the leather. That's a nice touch right there. All right. tooling looks consistent. The depth, you know, the leather's got a nice flop to it. It's floppy. And I really do like that backing. Nice. Very cool. All right, let's move on to the next one here. Check it out. Put it there. I met Big Mike on the belt groups on the Facebook pages, Brothers of the Belt, and then I ended up liking his page and becoming a group member of his personal group page, Big Mike Championship Belt Group. And he's a really nice guy. He really seems to be, you know, in the hobby to better it. And I actually did get a belt from him. I bought a belt from him a few months back, and it was a seamless process, not painful at all. Okay, wait a hold on here. No, this is something different. This right here is Open Mic Champion. Okay. Geez, these plates are enormous. They're the same thickness, whether that's 4 or 5 millimeters, I'm not 100% sure. It's got Big Mike's logo on here again, his plate, and the strap is wide. It's really wide. It's a big belt. The Open Mic Champion. Stand up, karaoke, either way. Same backing as the previous one, really nice, high gloss. Same style of snap box, just wider, taller strap overall. If you can see there, it's a little bit of a taller strap because these plates are really, really monstrous right here. Again, paintwork is really a big part of this design. All the black background. I think it makes the plates pop as far as you can really see what the images are. You know, on kind of most belts, you get close up to see what the etching really is, and then that one, I think you can really see it. Let's try this one out. Let's see. This one looks kind of like styled after the old classic Intercontinental Championship. Okay. Got some of the tape cut off. Alright. I can see this one has also the same backing. I think they probably all have this style of backing. Now, what do we got here? Amateur Night Champion, huh? Hey, hey. That's nice. Classic design. This thing's got like 6 plates on it. Again, got Big Mike's logo on there. Stamp, his own stamp. I think this one is also a very wide strap. You know, the leather is what you'd expect from from over there, from overseas, from Pakistan. Probably a little bit better than I've seen. I've gotten some that has pretty rough cuts, and at least this has a nice cut, and you know, it's got floppiness to it. It's not stiff at all, and that's, well, kind of what people are looking for right now. So yeah, there it is. Classic, basic, and iconic styling after the Intercontinental Championship, the old school one. Custom. Now this one is heavy. It's heavier than any of the other ones were, so I'm guessing it's either got thicker plates or it's just a big design, large plates. Let's find out. This is huge. And it's not even the center plate. All right, continuing on. Now this one does have a different backing on it. And it is a humongous belt, as I said. Okay, I got that slid off. What are we looking at? Holy crap. This one is heavy. Oh, now I see why. Arm Wrestling Championship. Dang. Look at these side plates. These side plates are wild huge. It's interesting. Custom work, man. Look at that. That's like, I don't know if I can do it justice, but this is my hand. Okay, I'm just an average sized person. And this is gigantic. This is a different backing. It's blue. It's kind of got like a smoky, I don't know, like a smoky look or something. It's neat. Very good. Big Mike's Championship Belt Group. Custom Belt Specialists. Cha-Cha. Open mic. Amateur night. Arm wrestling. These are just some of the few ideas that can be used, and you can have customized championship belts for everything, folks. So I'm gonna put together a really nice video for Big Mike's Belt Group using these, filming these, and I want to thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.